Hello and welcome back. If anyone's watching, um, today, as I said in the last video, I want to make an arena inside the game. Basically, I want to build this at this length, but it won't be visible walls like this here. So we will give it some visuals, polygons, shapes, etc. Um, this is just a placeholder I mocked up to prevent the actors from sliding out of the arena, because right now, since we have no camera, it sticks to the arena and it shows it right here. These purple, blue, whatever color lines. um I want to make it at those lines as well still, so we can see the whole arena for now, until maybe I can add a camera later on. Whoa, that knockback feel pretty. Okay, we are going to look into that as well later. Today, it's just a simple episode of making an arena. Since I know Godot very little and I know no coding at all, I still asked ChatGPT to tell me how to do things. And I know I'm supposed to create a separate scene, but yeah, um, optional but very good. ChatGPT says, let's take its advice. Tilemap. Tilemap node is deprecated as it's preceded by the use of multiple tilemap layers. Bottom panel witness nodes. Okay, what? Okay. Um, am I understanding this correctly? This tool gives me a way of building maps like this. No, um, doesn't seem so. Let's try that again. No, still didn't work. Um, create or load a tileset resource in the tileset property in the inspector. That's it. Style maps tileset has no tile source configured to the tileset bottom panel at all. What are you saying? What is that? Um, I'm guessing this is for like um piling floor into the visuals. I don't want this one right now, and I'm going to have to explore that a little bit more off camera. Right now, what I need is static bodies. Okay, and sorry about that. Mm, Now, um, how do we do this again? Static body to the collision shape to the. Okay. We add collision shape to the or and sprite to the. Um, each wall and obstacle. So this is right. Okay. I've been dealing with code and bugs and things so much. I forgot how to build things like this. That's okay. We can spare a little bit of pixels. Now the problem is, do I want the center here or do I put it somewhere else? Okay, I want to change this to 8 pixels. I changed it off camera to see it clearly, see the grid at least. Now it's only 8 pixels longer. Okay, this can stay. Oh, sorry for doing all of you. I could extend a little bit. Okay, this is R shape, but do I want this static body node here or in the middle of this? And where's the middle? Right here. Let's do this. Let's do this. And to the correct position. Okay, it slided. Now, this way. Put it in. It's going to slide like this. Annoying. Fixable. For right here. Okay. Again, 8, fixed. I know I'm a little bit OCD about things, but that's okay. Now we have to add polygon 2D. Yes, and this is easier. Let's assign it nice color, easy on the eyes. Red or maybe something greener or purplish. No, definitely green. Yeah, this is fine. It doesn't have to look good for now. It just has to, let me copy this hex number. It just has to be functional. I just want some visual aid for the, for, I just want some visual aid that says this is the wall of the arena. Wall, no, sorry, this is not wall west. Okay, moving on. Now I want to make a few symmetrical obstacles. Let's see. One, two. Okay, let me close these ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4. This seems too close to the middle. Okay, let's start with the middle then first. Right here, I want a plus shape. How are we going to do that? I'm going to add another child of the basic arena and static body 2D and add collision polygon 2D because we are going to have to draw this polygon ourselves and put that right in the middle. And oops, no, no, I'm doing this right. I made a mistake, but no, I didn't. I just have to draw it by myself. Okay, that doesn't look too bad, does it? What happens when I move it like this? I I don't understand what the colors mean. Huh, that actually looks better, but more like a some symbol. I don't want to mention. Um, let's see. Now another child mode and polygon 2D. Now we can color this. I mean, color the visual side of it because this is invisible still, right? Now it's not. And perfect. And I want to make 4 pillars in these locations. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. This spot looks amazing. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here. Yeah. Um, let's say cross pillar. Okay. Control A, static body 2D. Control A, static body 2D. And it does this. A little bit annoying. No, again, to that spot. And 4. Perfect. Now let's drag these guys to the supposed 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, right here. There's pose locations first, so we don't have to deal with them later. Here? No, not there. No, yeah. Yes, that right there. Okay. I counted wrong. So here and here. I can center them later. It's not a big deal. Let's see, child mode, collision. Again, I want polygon because I want to create a diamond shape, not a square. I know this is just a placeholder, but I don't want it to look too boring or too much like a placeholder, if it makes sense. So that's why I want to make it a polygon, not a classical shape. So just like this. It's still a square, I know, but we can make it so a little bit, or we can make it this. It doesn't have to be inside the 64 by 64 part. And this looks cooler in my opinion. Let's see, polygon shape. This part is always easy. And color is done. Now rename it pillar southwest. Perfect. Let's move on to other ones. Done. Now, only thing to do is save this arena so we can see how it performs inside the game. Nope. It was a misclick. Okay, we can close that. Can delete this. And its children? No. No, not its children. How are we going to do this? We're going to spawn the arena first, right? Doesn't that look beautiful? Arena border can go. Now, let's try it. Does it have to be? That's right. Yes, the walls work. Ah! Stop attacking me. This triangle guy has to die first. And yes, I had worries about this. As you can see, this guy is completely stuck there with no way of getting to me unless I make him. What is that knockback? Okay, let me see this. HP. Let me bump up my HP so I don't die. And grab these weapons and kill this triangle guy first. They can even get stuck right here. Okay, come here. Yes, get stuck there and hit me. Why? Why do I slide that far? Is it because of... Okay, it's maybe because of the knockback code we changed, and we can touch on that maybe later. But right now, we've made our arena, and it works perfectly, actually. As intended. This was one of my concerns, that AI would or couldn't recognize the walls and get stuck on them, but it is perfect. I just don't understand how they are not taking knockback as much as me. Is it because they're trying to move toward me as I knock them back and I just let go of movement keys? Anyways, we are going to have to figure that out in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions, I read the comments. Feel free to let me know. Take care.